Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Microwear watch Ultra 3. Now this watch comes with real IP68 rating, and inside the box we get a charging dock and strap. We also get a free cover case to protect the watch, which is a very nice addition actually. So it looks very good. So let me take off the sticker from the front and the back. And the body color is very similar to original Apple Watch Ultra. On the left hand side, as you can see, we have action button, and on the right hand side we have crown key and power button. So let me just quickly turn this on, and I'm going to set this up. So language English, and the display quality, guys, is amazing. It is using AMOLED display, and the OS is also very smooth. So the crown key, we get a really nice haptic feedback from the crown key as well. So let me just quickly show you the animation of sports mode, which is very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra. On the right hand side we have heart rate application. So let me just quickly measure the table heart rate. And it is actually measuring the heart rate of a table, which is very annoying, guys. So I'm going to compare it with the Huawei Watch Fit 3, and I will let you know, guys, in the comments that if the heart rate is accurate or not. So here is our activity, which is also very similar to Apple Watch Ultra, the user interface. And here is the music application. You can connect your TWS earbuds, and you can add more widgets. Actually only two more widgets you can add. So here is our different menu style, list view. Here's the other one. So I really like the list view in this one because it is very smooth and easier to navigate. Here is the original UI. So yeah, really like the speed of this watch, and if you double tap the crown key, you will get a recent menu, so you can close the applications and switch between applications. If we tap the power button, you get this quick settings, and here is the water draining application because it has real IP68 rating, and I'm going to test this. Please let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see that video. I previously did a video on Watch X, so let me know in the comments down below, guys. So overall the UI smoothness is very good actually, but not similar to HK9 Ultra 2. HK9 Ultra 2 is the fastest of all of them. So let me just quickly show you the model Ultra 3 name. And if I go into gesture control, it also has gesture controls. Time setting. Now you can select a 12-hour format in M Active Pro application. Notifications, you can change these settings as well. You can also change the UI style by going in the settings. So yeah, guys, overall really smooth. The touchscreen is also very good. So let me just quickly show you the always on display. It also has always on display. Pointer dialer I'm going to show you. So it has palm gesture as well. So very nice looking always on display. Now let's take a quick look at wrist to wake feature. So yeah, wrist to wake feature is also working very good. I have no issues, and the watch looks really good, guys. The display, I'm really impressed by the display quality, and it has real IP68 rating, which is also a very good feature. It should come in all clone watches actually. So on the top I have Microwear Watch X. It also has IP68 rating. So guys, if you like this video, if you want to purchase this, link is in the description. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Allah Hafiz.